Everyone, welcome to the new video of Scratch tutorials. In this video, we will see how we can use the variables in Scratch. So, this thing, so variables are there. So we are going to make a variable. Let's say score. Then today we will make a code for this such that this sprite of the character, after the score will tend up to 5, the character will then say something so that whenever the score reaches 5, this character will say something. So we're gonna use the when flag is clicked, then we are going to use this set my variable when I change the y variable to score. ठीक है, and we are going to use this space bar too, and then we are going to use this change my variable by 1, then you can use this to score. Now when I click on the press space bar, see the score is going up. So this is how the variables are used. So if let's say I'm going to use the if else over here as well. So I'm going to use if. Okay, the operators one. Then we go to the variables. So whenever the value of variable becomes greater than 5, so we will change the then the character will say hello, and this would also happen with the flag is clicked. All right, so then this start. Now one, two, three, four, five, and when it becomes greater than 3, uh, as for now it's not saying the hello. So let's just put it in forever loop so that it keeps on checking it forever. So one, two, three, four, five, six, and yeah, this is the now the character is saying hello. So this is how we can use the variables in Scratch. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.